Okay, everybody, just looking at the gold to silver ratio. Right here is at 89.35. This is kind of how I have my desk. I like looking at charts, as well as dollar index over here, 97.71. It bounced a little bit. Oh, we got another one. The computer not doing anything. Of course, over there on the right side. So anyways, I'm looking at some coins right now. There are just some coins I like keeping on my desk. Pretty actually not that interesting, although coin collecting is a good hobby. It for me it is it has to do with mental stress levels, and when I find myself where I'm agitated or I feel flustered, I like to just kind of go into a kind of a meditation mode where I can just focus on simple things and enjoy the beauty, which coin collecting really brings to the table, and it's increased. It's helped me with mental health, as well as just kind of a good distraction to keep. It's a very good hobby to endeavor and try to make progress in. It's not very social, but there is a very large YouTube community on the channels. You can find a lot of silver stackers who have sort of a community that talk to each other. So with that being said, let's look at some of these other charts. This is the 30-day and the 60-day. So any sort of strength in this index, I would think people would want to be selling, not buying gold. I saw a bunch of foolish people trying to say how great gold was when it was at 93 to 1. I could have just bought 93 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold, and crashed all the way back down to 86. That's a pretty big. That's a 6-point move with not even trying all that hard. I mean, it was an obvious mispricing, and it still is mispriced. And I think speculators who don't use that much margin and deal with physical delivery, they're able to come up big in this all-out war on the paper COMEX. We're going to see people lose their accounts, go belly up. Maybe some big banks are going to not deal in the market anymore, in this particular market. There's a lot of manipulation that's gone on, with $5 trillion in derivatives for something that's only like $17 billion a year in the real market. So I mean, you have paper and paper and paper just being pushed around and sloshing around, and people who are smart are taking advantage of the low price and buying physical. The physical market doesn't know what to do. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Peace out.